When you think of pumpkins, what comes to mind? For many, it's the quintessential symbol of Halloween, carved into spooky jack-o'-lanterns with glowing eyes and toothy grins. However, pumpkins are far more than just a seasonal decoration. These vibrant orange gourds have a rich history and a wide range of uses that extend beyond October 31st. In this article, we'll delve into the fascinating world of pumpkins, exploring their origins, versatility, health benefits, and cultural significance. Pumpkins, scientifically known as Cucurbita pepo, are believed to have originated in Central America over 7,500 years ago. Native American tribes, including the Aztecs and the Hopi, cultivated pumpkins as a staple crop long before the arrival of European settlers. They used every part of the pumpkin, from its flesh to its seeds, for food and medicinal purposes. Pumpkins and Halloween. Today, pumpkins are synonymous with Halloween, but their association with this spooky holiday has a history of its own. The tradition of carving jack-o'-lanterns began in Ireland, where people originally used turnips and potatoes. When Irish immigrants arrived in America, they discovered that pumpkins were more readily available and easier to carve. This marked the beginning of the pumpkin's association with Halloween, and it has since become a beloved symbol of the holiday. Culinary versatility. Pumpkins are not only great for carving but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From savory to sweet dishes, pumpkins can be transformed into a wide array of culinary delights. Some popular pumpkin-based recipes include pumpkin pie, pumpkin soup, roasted pumpkin seeds, and pumpkin risotto. Pumpkin puree can also be used as a healthy ingredient in muffins, pancakes, and smoothies, adding a rich, earthy flavor and a boost of nutrients. Nutritional benefits. Pumpkins are not only delicious but also highly nutritious. They are low in calories and rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A single cup of cooked pumpkin provides an abundance of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and a strong immune system. Additionally, pumpkins are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote overall well-being. Health benefits. Consuming pumpkin may offer various health benefits, such as heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in pumpkins can support heart health by reducing the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Eye health. The high vitamin A content in pumpkins is crucial for maintaining good eyesight and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Weight management. Pumpkins are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious addition to a weight-conscious diet. Skin health. The beta-carotene in pumpkins can promote healthy skin by protecting it from sun damage and potentially reducing the signs of aging. Cultural significance. Beyond Halloween, pumpkins hold cultural significance around the world. In the United States, pumpkin pie is a beloved Thanksgiving tradition, symbolizing the bounty of the harvest season. In Mexico, pumpkins are a key ingredient in dishes like mole and calabaza en tacha, candied pumpkin, often enjoyed during Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, celebrations. Additionally, various Asian cuisines incorporate pumpkins into both savory and sweet dishes, showcasing their global appeal. Pumpkins are more than just a Halloween icon. They are a versatile and nutritious vegetable with a rich history and cultural significance. Whether you enjoy them as a festive decoration, a delicious meal, or a healthy snack, pumpkins offer a wide range of benefits and play a unique role in the culinary and cultural tapestry of our world. So, the next time you see a pumpkin, remember that it's not just a symbol of Halloween, it's a symbol of history, tradition, and the vibrant flavors of fall.